If air is escaping around the plunger or water splashes when you plunge, you probably need to correct your technique immediately. Start by confirming the plunger type matches the drain shape and that the rubber flange or cup is clean. A flange plunger is best for toilets and a cup plunger for sinks. Create a full seal by placing the plunger perpendicular to the drain and pushing down gently to expel air before pulling back. The initial push removes trapped air that breaks suction. Use slow, steady pumps of 2 to 3 inches and maintain consistent rhythm for at least 10 to 12 cycles, then finish with a sharp pull to break the clog loose. If water level is low, add enough water to submerge the plunger cup to maintain hydraulic pressure. Brace your body over the plunger with feet staggered and hands shoulder width apart to maximize force without losing balance. For stubborn clogs, alternate plunging with a few minutes of hot water poured slowly to soften grease or soap scum, but never use boiling water on porcelain fixtures. The most common mistake is failing to form a complete seal so air escapes, which you fix by repositioning the plunger and cleaning rim and cup until suction holds. Another frequent issue is water splashing out because the plunger is angled or the initial push was too forceful. Reset the cup perpendicular. Pull the cup up to let any trapped air escape, and start again with gentle compression. People often use insufficient pressure or awkward stance, so plunging is ineffective. Adopt a steady stance, use your body weight, and focus on small, controlled strokes rather than wild motions. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives both parties a place to find work or hire for home repair needs related to unclogging and other tasks. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share tips, ask questions, and compare approaches so you can learn what methods work best in real situations.